Okay, once I've used Auto Create to insert all my photographs, then I start editing how I want the pages to look. And I group the photos according to event or just all together, all the similar ones together. So I'll put this, you click and drag on the sides of the photos to bring the borders in or out. So I'll put this photo down here with this, this flower. I'll put this flower down here with this other flower. It'll give you a warning if you put your image off the page. So this takes a little bit of time, but you're offline, so you don't have to worry about losing your connection. And it really works well for me. So this over here, this here. Now I'll go show you what I've done to other pages. Here I've used a 2-page spread for one photo. And you can also use a circle shape if you like. And here's 9 photos on a page. That looks like a nice one for a large picture, so I can insert a page. I'll put it right here. And then what I'll do is I'll delete it out of here and then go back and insert it here by clicking and dragging. So you can click on a picture and this box comes up, and there's so much you can do. You can zoom in and out. You can rotate the picture. Here's where you can change it to a circle. And this is, you can also put it behind or forward of another photo. So I'm going to put this one behind, like that. I think I'll zoom in on this one. He looks pretty far away. It's a little better. I could pull it down here, put it in the front, make it even bigger. Or I can change my mind and just put it back. So you can click up here on photos and it will take that bar away, and you can zoom in and see it better. You can even zoom way in and scroll around to see how it's looking really close up. I usually don't do that until the end. I've usually already inspected my photos when I was choosing them. So by now I know they're really good photos already. And then if you need that toolbar back, you'll just click on that again. If you wanted to change your layout, you can click there. And you can use this box or this box to draw a photo or a text square anywhere you decide you want one or need one. So those are looking pretty good. I like to show the photos I haven't used yet so that I know that I have what I want. This is a horseshoe crab upside down. and right side up. So I want to zoom in on those. Then you know what? I could slide this up, and then I could put these guys down over here. I really like to use the space as efficiently as I can, so I don't use as many pages. It does charge per page, but it's not as much as you might think. One of the reasons I love Blurb is they often put on sales. You can often order your book for 35% or 40% off the regular price. So once you have it made, just wait until one of those deals comes through and then order your photo book. That's my recommendation. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the layout for this page. Just click like that, and there it is. Isn't that nice and easy? This one needs rotated, so I'll rotate that. I'll zoom in on this one. This hand is to move the photo within the frame. So if it's not centered, you can grab that hand and pull it over.